Roger, my friend. Decider 13 Lima Radio 131. I repeat for you, 13 Lima Radio 131. QRP in northern part of Germany.
Roger, 13 Lima Radio 131. You are 53 to South Sardinia into my mobile station activation.
Roger, many thanks for the report. You have 5 and 7 in my Walkie Talkie radio. Only QRP Walkie Talkie radio. Many thanks. Nice activation. 73s and good luck.
Roger, incredible contact, my dear friend. Very happy to listen to you. 13 Lima Radio 131. Maybe you are using an Albrecht radio, Walkie Talkie. Okay, my dear friend, back to you.
Roger, my friend, Roger. I'm using an Albrecht Walkie Talkie radio. Albrecht Walkie Talkie radio with 50 centimeter long antenna standing outside the northern part of Germany. And please, my friend, can you give me your operator name? And I'm recording in this moment. This contact. Hope you copy me. Back to you.
Roger, my dear friend. Okay, thank you very much for a very nice contact from my static mobile station activation 165 Alpha Tango stroke Foxtrot 383. Okay, and operator name is Alex, location very close Calgary into South Sardinia Island. Okay, my dear friend, 13 Lima Radio 131 with a walkie-talkie station. Go ahead, back to you.
Roger. Many thanks, Alex. Many thanks, Alex. And the next hours when I'm coming home, I'm loaded up this video on YouTube. Many thanks, 73s, nice activation, and good activation, 73s, and good luck.
Roger, thank you very much for making this video, okay? Thank you very much, my dear friend. Have a lovely day. 7 degrees, and congratulations of your Albrecht portable radio. Thank you.
Many thanks, Alex, from Rainer here, in northern part of Germany. 73s, nice activation, good luck and good yaks. Bye.
Thank you very much for very beautiful, nice contact. 73s.
Wow, Sardinia Island. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you very much.
I'm very happy, Alex. Great contact.
Thank you. 165 Alpha Tango stroke Foxtrot 383 call toward that.
Wow. A new one for my handheld. New DXTC.
383 call toward that.
Nice thing now. I'm happy.
IMA CQ 165 Alpha Tango stroke Foxtrot 383 call toward that.
73, good luck.